So what are you gonna do this weekend?
I don't know. Hey, I feel like going to ride. Wanna go ride?
Sure, but your motorcycle doesn't even work.
Yes, it does.
Let's see. Turn it on.
Let me go turn it on for you. Let me show you it's gonna work. Wait. Told you.
I
It'll
told
work.
you. It don't run.
We need some help. Told you.
Somebody call a doctor? She's ready.
You ready?
Yep,
You sure?
yep.
Let's try. Thank you, doctor. Now it's time to have some fun.
All jokes aside, every little thing counts. Here at Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs, we take every little thing seriously. Bring us your ATV, three-wheeler, or dirt bike for any repair you need. We'll take care of it as if it's our own.